Dr. McCoy from Creekside Animal Clinic. Today I'm going to talk to you about some common toxins that your pets can be exposed to. Probably the most common toxin that we see is human medications, and some of these would include ibuprofen, acetaminophen, naproxen, or glipizide, which is a diabetes medication. And often owners will give these medications to their pets to try to help them, and they don't know the severe side effects. And some of the things that we can see are ulcers, liver disease, and kidney failure. Insecticides can also be ingested by animals or applied inappropriately. And the most common one that we see is a dog flea medication being applied to a cat. This can cause seizures, tremors, and salivation. Rodenticides are used to trap mice and rats in our environment. They taste good to the rodents. They also taste good to our pets. And if our pets ingest these, they can often have severe bleeding disorders and kidney failure. People foods such as grapes, raisins, onions, garlic, and xylitol, which is an artificial sweetener that's used in a lot of gums, can cause a lot of bad side effects for our pets, such as kidney failure, anemia, low blood sugar, and liver failure. Veterinary medicines, a lot of them are flavored and taste good. Two examples would be Pro-In or Rimadyl, and oftentimes our animals will find this bottle and ingest the entire bottle or a large quantity, and this can cause some vomiting, diarrhea, GI ulcers, increased blood pressure, and some other side effects. Chocolate, which contains methylxanthines, which is a stimulant, can be ingested by our dogs and cats, and it can cause some severe side effects such as vomiting, diarrhea, agitation, seizures, and tremors. Some plants that we can have both inside and outside of our house can cause some major side effects if our pets are ingesting them, and an example would be the Easter lily. In cats, this can cause kidney failure, and the sago palm, which can cause liver disease in both dogs and cats. Herbicides and pesticides that we use to treat our lawns have a salty taste, and if our pets ingest them, we can see vomiting and neurologic signs. So it's important to keep your dogs and cats off any treated lawn until you're directed to allow them on it. And finally, there's outdoor toxins such as antifreeze, which has a really sweet smell and can cause dogs and cats to ingest it. And if they do ingest it, this is a very severe situation. We can see kidney failure and vomiting. So if you think that your animal has gotten into any of the things that we've discussed, you would want to contact Animal Poison Control at 888-426-4435 immediately, and you'll also want to contact your veterinarian. I'm Dr. McCoy from Creekside Animal Clinic. Thank you for watching, and make sure to look for us on Facebook.